Hello. Now you know what where I am. I am in Greater Noida right now, and you can see the high-rise building behind me. Let me show you. You can see the high-rise building. It's a Greater Noida, and I am going through this road to my home because it's a festival of Diwali festival. This is why I am going Delhi to UP, and where my family lives there, and I was going towards here. I stopped here for drinking water, and I see these kinds of building over here, and I am looking at these buildings. But I wanted to live here. I really wanted to live here, but not really because of suppose there is not a big thing to live in these kinds of buildings, but there is one thing I this is my feeling I want to share with you because of suppose if I live in that kinds of if I rented a flat, but in this these kinds of flat, it feel it will be feel like I am living in a nest. I am a kinds of bird. I am living in a nest. No one talk to me. There is no familiar type of society. You can go to your flat and go to town to the work, and there is no. I just this is my voice, inner voice. I can say I want to live there where a society is familiar, so that I can talk to people. They are friendly nature. This is whole I want to say you, and you are you know understanding me what I want to say. I just you can see the road, and here are there you can see this is the highway, and it's a quite it's a very good. And how can I say it's the roads in this area of Noida, Greater Noida is really good. Wow, there is no barrier. There is you can you know go at any speed because roads are not such kinds of you can find any ghatta. No, you can go in any speed. And I just left from my room to my home. I just left 11:44 a.m. and let's see how much time it may takes because I am wasting my time on here. Not wasting, but stop here for I stopped here for drinking water, and because of I seated on my I am riding my scooty, so there was a pain in my. Do you understand? If you ride any bike, this is why I stopped here, and just I thought, okay, let's practice because I am on practice mode. So I thought, okay, let's practice, and you can see this side. You can see the high-rise building, and opposite side, guess what can be? Let me show you. You can see there is a khadda, and there is a nala. I can there. This is not the canal. This is the dirty water of nala. In my native language we say it nala. And you can see the different kinds of tree, and this is the garden type of area. This is not the garden, but this is the roadside area where you can see the different kinds of tree and plants over there. You can see, you can't see I guess because of if I show you something. This is the Yamuna Express. This is, you can see there are some vehicles you can see from this, and this is the Yamuna Expressway. I am just going to Yamuna Expressway through this road. I am this road. This is really good road, but because of my destination is far from away, so I just go through the Yamuna Expressway. And let's see, Yamuna Expressway is also good expressway. You can ride at any speed because it's really amazing expressway, amazing in condition. You can't find any khadda, any breaker over the because I already went through this Yamuna Expressway to my hometown before. This is why I'm just saying, because I know its condition, and I just put off the helmet. I am just making video while I just put on my helmet, but it's not the big thing. The big thing is practice of English speaking, because I want to gain my fluency, and it's no matter how I am, I how can I say, I don't have word. Let's go and meet. I guess if I would have time, I will make video in between. Otherwise I will be make this continue at my hometown. Bye.